Continuing the efforts to clamp down on gold, we've also learned that the Income Tax Department has searched premises of 3 bullion traders and jewelers in Zaveri Bazaar. Saloni has that story. Saloni, what do we know about these searches?
Well, this is a fallout of the entire raid that was conducted on Riddhi Siddhi Bullion 2 weeks back. Now, after the Income Tax Department sifted through all the details, the laptops and the documents that were seized through this raid, they were directed to these 3 companies who in fact allegedly have abetted Riddhi Siddhi Bullion to carry out cash transactions and in fact also allegedly produce fake import bills. Also, what we understand from our income tax sources is that there are several other bullion traders, especially in the Zaveri Bazaar and Opera Bazaar, Opera House area, who are on the radar of the Income Tax Department. So clearly, after Riddhi Siddhi Bullion was later raided, there was loads of talks as to whether there would be several other raids that would be conducted on other bullion traders and jewelers. Also, in fact, as you know, at Bloomberg TV India, we are continuing a special investigation on this entire greed for gold, and we in fact have uncovered how easy it is to buy gold. In fact, none of the rules when it comes to producing PAN documents or KYC verification. In fact, jewelers have been producing fake bills, so none of these rules have been followed, rules have been violated. So clearly here, in order to clamp down and arrest these entire malpractices and the rules that have been violated, Income Tax Department has carried out this entire investigation. Back to you.
All right, Saloni, thanks for that. Now, investors, they are awaiting the release of the current account deficit.